Cold therapy does not come easy for me, but I know that it has incredible benefits, and I am so thrilled that Cold Pod gave me their extra large cold pod, as it's helping me adapt to cold therapy. I haven't gotten my shoulders under yet, but I'm working on it. I've had this for about 2 weeks. It's winter time, but it has also been 2 weeks, so it is time to clean it. Let me show you how easy that is to do. Now, the main thing is that this water doesn't have any treatment. It is just plain water, so you do need to drain it and wipe down the inside every couple weeks, ideally. And you may be able to see down there, there's a drain in the bottom and a drain on the side. And that drain is tucked away back there, but luckily Cold Pod comes with an expandable hose that will plug right into that. Here is that expandable hose, and what's great about this is not only is it expandable and you can shape it, but you can also pack it back away. And it's pretty durable. It's not super durable, but it definitely should last. And if I had planned better, I would have made this a little easier to get to. But what's cool about this is since the water is not treated, and with its fresh water, in many ways, the Cold Pod actually can be a backup water source, which I had not thought of until this moment, but that is actually awesome. Now I'm going to drain it all the way, and I'm actually using a hose to help me get the water exactly where I want it to go. Now most of my water is just going to the dirt, which is exactly where I want it to go. So if I had one word of advice, not only think about where your drain is on your Cold Pod, but also have a plan of where you want that water to drain, as it does still have a tendency to go everywhere. So this is as far as it will drain until you open the bottom drain, but this is a good place to stop and scrub it down. You can scrub it with an all-purpose cleaner. I like to use something biodegradable since the water is just going into my soil. So I just actually use biodegradable dish soap, not too much, and I just do a quick scrub. And once you feel like it's clean enough for you, you just want to get this bottom drain open. And you can always speed it along by tipping it all over when it's light enough. And don't forget to scrub the exterior and the top as well, as it can all get pretty dirty, but that's only if you want to keep it super clean on the exterior. If you're just trying to keep it sanitary on the inside, you don't have to worry about that. But my bottom has gotten all slimy. And now it's ready to be refilled or dried off and packed away. It's really straightforward to clean this. A fantastic product.